everybody and welcome to Arabic with Amina. In today's video, we're diving into some common Arabic phrases that you won't find in English. Sneak them into your sentences and wow the natives with your knowledge of Arabic slang. Before we get started, I want to let you know that you can use these phrases anywhere, whether you're in Egypt, Saudi Arabia, or Qatar, as these phrases aren't specific to any dialect. Our first phrase is na'iman, which literally translates into blessings, but has a deeper meaning than that. You'd say it to someone who just took a bath as a way to acknowledge the occurrence. It's like saying congratulations. Imagine saying congratulations on taking a bath to someone in English. They may even think you're being sarcastic. It would definitely be an awkward encounter. It's also said to someone who just got a haircut or trimmed their beard. Na'iman. Next up on our list is film Hindi, which translates to Indian movie. Imagine telling someone about an outlandish incident that you witnessed and they say, Indian movie. That wouldn't make sense in English, but in Arabic, that's just a way of saying, that's absurd. If you've ever seen a Bollywood flick, you know they're packed with drama and wild events, which makes this the perfect phrase for describing a situation that's just a tad too dramatic. على رأسي, on my head. This is a polite and courteous phrase that you'll hear a lot in the Middle East. It literally means on my head. This phrase is usually said in response to you asking a favor. But don't worry, they're not rejecting your request. In fact, this phrase is highly respectful, as what they are saying with this phrase is your request is not just accepted, but highly respected and definitely getting done. If you think French is the only language that has a phrase to tell someone to enjoy what they're about to eat, then you're wrong. Arabic has its own version of bon appetit. Have you ever heard of صحتين? It's not just one health wish, but two. This phrase is like saying bon appetit to someone while or after eating. But instead of just wishing they enjoyed their food, it's also a wish for good health. A fun fact, it's even printed on the meal boxes of Royal Jordanian Airlines. Our next phrase is دمه خفيف, which translates to his blood is light. This phrase would make absolutely no sense in English, but in Arabic, this phrase is used to describe someone who is lighthearted, funny, or a bit of a jokester. On the flip side, we have دمه ثقيل, or his blood is heavy. This phrase has a totally different vibe. This one is for the people you're not a fan of. It's used to describe that person who's annoying, bothersome. They might think they're funny, but let's be real, they're just not hitting the mark. Last but not least, we've got لسانه طويل, or his tongue is long. Sounds strange, right? When you drop this phrase, it's not a compliment. You're basically saying that person has a sharp tongue. They have a smart mouth. They're the ones making cheeky, disrespectful remarks left and right. When you're around those people, watch out for those witty comebacks. If you would like to learn more Arabic proverbs, their meanings, and how to use them in daily conversation, download our free Arabic Proverbs PDF using the link in the description box below. What are some funny phrases that you know? Share in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Arabic with Amina.